I found insane Android hacking tools on GitHub at 2 AM. It's 2 AM. The room is completely silent. The only light comes from my monitor as I scroll through GitHub, looking for interesting open-source Android projects. I wasn't expecting much. Maybe a few programming libraries, some developer tools, but within minutes, I started discovering Android projects that security researchers, penetration testers, and developers use to analyze apps, test networks, and learn how mobile security actually works. Some were incredibly powerful. Others completely changed the way I looked at Android. So today, I'm showing you * 10 of the most interesting Android security tools I found on GitHub *. These projects are widely known in the cybersecurity community and are intended for learning, research, and authorized security testing. Let's get started. Number 10. Termux. The very first project almost every Android cybersecurity enthusiast discovers is *Termux. It transforms your Android phone into a Linux command line environment. You can write code, manage files, run development tools, and learn Linux directly from your phone. For many people, this is where their cybersecurity journey begins. Number 9. Frida. Next, I found Frida Frida is a dynamic instrumentation toolkit used by security researchers to observe how applications behave while they're running. Developers use it to debug software, analyze application behavior, and better understand Android apps during authorized testing. If you've ever wondered how experts inspect apps in real time, Frida is one of the tools they often reach for. Number 8. JADX. Then came *JADX. Android apps are distributed as APK files, and JADX helps researchers inspect their contents by converting bytecode into readable Java code. It's incredibly useful for understanding how an application works internally and for educational reverse engineering of software you own or are authorized to analyze. Number 7. Apktool. Apktool is another project that appears in almost every Android security toolkit. It allows developers and researchers to decode Android application resources and inspect configuration files. This makes it easier to understand application structure, troubleshoot issues, and learn how Android packages are organized. Number 6. MobSF. One repository immediately stood out. MobSF*, short for Mobile Security Framework. It's an automated platform that helps analyze Android applications for potential security issues. Instead of manually checking every file, MobSF generates reports that highlight areas developers may want to review. That's why it's popular among application security professionals. Number 5. Objection. Built on top of Frida, Objection provides a convenient interface for interacting with Android applications during security assessments. It simplifies many common testing tasks, making it easier for researchers to understand how applications behave in controlled environments. Number 4. Drozer. Drozer has been one of the best-known Android security assessment frameworks for years. It helps security professionals evaluate Android application components and identify potential weaknesses during authorized testing. Although Android has evolved significantly, Drozer remains an important educational tool for learning Android application security concepts. Number 3. Androguard. If you're interested in reverse engineering, Androguard is worth exploring. It's a Python-based framework for analyzing Android applications. Researchers use it to inspect APK files, study application metadata, and automate parts of the analysis process. For large-scale Android research, tools like this save an enormous amount of time. Number 2, ADB, Android Debug Bridge. ADB isn't just for developers. It's one of the most useful Android command line tools available. It allows developers and testers to communicate with Android devices, install applications, view logs, and perform debugging tasks. Almost every Android security workflow includes ADB in some way. Number 1, Kali NetHunter, and finally, the project that surprised me the most. Kali NetHunter. It's an Android platform based on Kali Linux that brings together numerous security and penetration testing utilities for authorized research and learning. For cybersecurity students and professionals, it can transform compatible Android devices into portable security labs. It's one of the most recognized Android security projects on GitHub. Final thoughts. Scrolling through GitHub at 2 a.m. reminded me of something important. The most powerful cybersecurity tools aren't hidden on secret websites. Many are open source, publicly available, and created by developers who want to improve security through research and education. The difference isn't the tools. It's how they're used.